Hi everybody, it's Jennifer Labre, and today we're making this beautiful new card called Thoughts for You. Hopefully you can see that embossing on there. And the bird. We're using the Best Birds stamp set today. We're going to use this cute little bird and the expression Thoughts for You. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take a piece of the Whisper white cardstock. This is cut in half for a standard card. We're going to just emboss this right at 4 1/4 so we can fold it easily for our card base. Okay, we'll put that to the side for right now. Next thing we're going to do is stamp our bird. Okay, we'll take the and we've got the D block. Just get our bird on there. We're using Tuxedo Black Memento ink today, because we are going to be using our Stampin' blends, and that's the ink you want to use with them. Okay, and we're just stamping that on the Whisper white cardstock, just a scrap piece of paper. We'll put our bird away. Clean off that ink off my fingers with my Simply Chamois. Okay, we probably should have cleaned off that stamp too. Okay, now we're going to be using, to start with, the Daffodil Delight Light and Dark. We're just going to take the dark and color in the beak. Okay. And we're going to use the Pool Party. We'll start with the light at the brush end and just color its head. And then we'll take the dark and we'll just color a little bit more, color into its feathers. Take the light again and blend it so you don't see that line. Okay. And we'll take the dark Daffodil Delight and we're just going to do its belly. Go right up into the Pool Party. We're going to get the light Pool Party and just blend that. Go right over it. Okay. Then we're going to take our light Night of Navy. And color the rest of the tail and the feathers. We'll take our dark Pool Party and go right over that, just blending it in. Okay, and then finally we're going to take the nib end of the, let's see, what is this, the dark soft suede, and just color its feet. Not much to color on the feet, but there we go. And there's our bird. Okay, set those aside. By the way, I just gotten the Stampin' lens in the mail and I love them. They're great. I can definitely compare them to Copics because I am a Copic queen, but the Stampin' lens are wonderful and I will be getting all of them very soon. Okay, next thing we're going to do is cut this out. So we'll grab our Sizzix machine. Okay. And the Birds and Blooms Thinlits dies. There we go. Okay, there's our bird. We'll just set that aside for right now. Just putting the dies away. And then we're going to take a piece of white, Whisper White cardstock. This is 5 inches by 3 3/4 inches. And we're going to run that through the Woodland Textured Impressions embossing folder. So here we go with that. For this, we're going to get the regular platform. Okay. We're going to line this up with this line right here, so that way we know it's straight. There we go. That's nice. Good. And we put the folded edge in first. And run that through. And there we go. There's our embossed background. We'll put that to the side too. And then finally, we are going to cut out the stitched shape. Framelit. And this is the second smallest. Let's see if we have enough room on our, I think we just have enough room on our scratch piece paper. Scratch cardstock, I mean. Let's see, let me get the magnetic one back. Well, let's try it and see how it looks. If not, we can always do it again. Oh, it wouldn't move. Looks great. There we go. we'll put that to the side. I don't think I showed you, but these are the Stitch Shapes Framelits dies. Love those dies. Okay, and then we are done with the big shot. And it's time to put together our card. We're also going to use a piece of the black cardstock. This is 5 1/4 by 4 inches. It's just going to be our border on the card. The card is going to open this way. Okay, so first off we want to get snail adhesive. Just put it on the back of the black. And center that on the card. There we go. And we'll take our background here. Again, with more snail. There we go. We still need to stamp our sentiment, which we'll do right now. Get the Thoughts of You stamp. And really you can do any stamp with this, as long as it fits in the stitch shape. Use the Memento ink again. There we go. And then we're going to use our dimensionals to pop this up. Let's do the bird first. Okay. And then we'll pop up our sentiment. And there we go. There's our card. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. For all the products used, please check out my blog at jenniferlabre.com. And as always, if you don't have a demonstrator already, I'd be happy to help you in any way that I can, including sending out one of the new holiday catalogs to you. Please feel free to contact me. Again, everything can be found at jenniferlabre.com. Thank you and have a great day.